Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Bittorrent token. My friends, this is the urgent alert news for all Bittorrent token holders. Just keep watching this video till the end because every update is present. Every update is very important for all holders, my friends. But before starting this video, please I request everyone to click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends. So first of all, we talk about the Bittorrent token price of the USD dollar, my friends. 0.002 USD dollar, that is the currently live and latest price of the Bittorrent token. Furthermore, if we talk about the Bitcoin BTC price of the Bittorrent token, so the BTC price is 0.0000. Oh my goodness, that's the BTC price of the Bittorrent token is very low, my friends. I can't count these number of zeros, my friends. Stop the video and just count out these zeros, my friends. Anyways, furthermore, if we talk about the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, so I think these all things is going good, my friends. Wow, this when you can see, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Bittorrent token, so the price changes is going good. The price start moving upward. The price is going upward, my friends. The changes occur in the safe Bittorrent token at last 1 hour pricing is 0.58%, 24 hours pricing is 7.33%, and last 1 week pricing is negative. But the 24 hours last 1 hour price changes of the Bittorrent is going positive, my friends. That is why I'm feeling very good about Bittorrent token. If someone asks me questions about Bittorrent token, that how do you feel about Bittorrent token, so I'm feeling very good about BTT token, my friends. And furthermore, if we talk about the price chart of the Bittorrent token, so you can see here that in the previous time the price of BTT is very badly falls down, but now at this time the BTT price is going upward. That's why I'm feeling very good about BTT token. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bittorrent token? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.